First you have to go to the add new order in the left side menu in the system, and you can see there are three kind of section to add a new order. In the first section you can see a single upload section with the form that you can upload a order one by one. First you have to select the business profile. There can be multiple business profiles. You can create multiple business profile in the merchant portal. After you selected the correct business profile here, you have to type your Waybill number. This Waybill number can be generated automatically also. To generate automatically the Waybill number, you have to go to the settings section and Waybill generation section. Then you have to select the auto mode and submit the form. Here you can go to the add new order again. See, you cannot upload the Waybill number to the form, and that Waybill number will be automatically generated. We can revert that by shifting the status to manual and submit. Then you can create the Waybill number here. The manual Waybill number generation means sometimes you may print the Waybill numbers in a barcode stickers and distribute among your all merchants. Each merchant will scan that Waybill barcode sticker and put that Waybill number in this form. After that they will stick into your parcel. That is the scenario you want to add the manual Waybill operation. In other times you will not give any barcode stickers to your merchants. They will generate their Waybill numbers automatically through the system and print out the Waybill through the system and stick into the parcel. Yes, we can put a Waybill number here. Then you have to select the origin city. Origin city means the city where your parcel should be originated. This origin city will be get to calculate the delivery charge of the order. So first then you have to select this origin city. If you cannot see the origin city in the list once you click the order, you have to type that name. So you can see the shortlisted city will be come to this drop down. Then you have to select the correct origin city. Most probably this origin city will be automatically selected based on your current location. Then after you have to type the order number of your own. Sometimes your e-commerce order, sometimes your another manual order. To identify that order, you have to create that order number here. Let's say as a sample this. Then you have to upload the customer details. What's your customer name and what's the customer address and what is the phone number of your customer. Then the email of the customer. After updating the customer details here, then you have to select the correct destination city of that parcel. As the above, you can type and search the destination city. Based on your destination city, the delivery charge will be calculated based on your rate card. Then what is your COD amount? So based on your preference, you can add the delivery charge to here, or you can reduce that delivery charge here and put the COD amount. That is the amounts your delivery partner will be collected from your end customer. Then the weight should be come to here. Maybe it's 1 or 2, whatever. the correct weight should be here. Then the order description is the description given by your e-commerce platform, or you can manually put the order description here based on your product, based on your customer order. Your delivery rider can easily recognize what is the order should be delivered to the particular customer. Sometimes your end customer will be asked, what are you going to deliver me today, like that. There is a practical situation that you need to put that product description to here. The remarks is, if you have any remarks based on your customer's order or based on your e-commerce platform, whatever the remarks you need, you can put to here. After you putting everything here, you can submit the order. So all the fields other than order description, remarks are required. Only optional fields are order description and remarks. Then you can submit that order by clicking the submit button.